morning. We're here. Here's where we are. Simba. I forget the next line. DITLO. What is it? In the Lion King.
Everything the light touches. That.
Bye. So, Sears is going out of business. I don't know for how long. Like, how long has this been happening? But, oh my god, what? I want that. Wait, do they have Beyonce heat? Because I want it. I don't see it. No, my dreams are ruined. So I found one, but it doesn't spray. And there's one. Is this it? No, this is something else.
Please hang up and try again.
There's like nothing here anymore. Like it's just.
We only carry sizes 1, 3, and 5. We should try Sears.
Okay, I need to. This is a caviar vending machine. Have you ever in your life?
You want to get blue caviar? Do you want the...
How?
Do you want to get 2,500 for 15 ounces of caviar? Do you have a coupon?
I'm sure my hair is everywhere, but we're watching some travel show in the Philippines and Warden is taking a nap. Oh, he opened his eyes. And he's like covering his nose.
City of friendship.
What are you doing, buddy? Why are you so cute?
Hairy baby. My hairy baby. Ah! Bite my face. I'm gonna bite your nose.
I'm so excited this is happening right now. Don't Suzy and Ken look so excited too?
I'm thrilled.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Michael Hartz is here.
I want a hot pin.
Oh, boo.
That's how hot it is.
Are you really excited?
Not even a roar, it's a boo.
Oh my gosh, we got so. This is only like a couple of the things. Like we got like 90 things. Oh, that's so good. That one was so good.
Bye.
Oh my god. We got so much sushi, but it's all you can eat, so I guess it's fine. This lighting is probably really weird. So, you know, just a normal Thursday night. Can you guess who's who? Let's see if you were right. This is Pussy Vagina. This is Sugar Tit. This is Dick Cock. And this is
Tapeworm.
Baby Slut. It's a tapeworm. Because we were like,
we don't know what it is, but we don't trust it.
It's untrustworthy.
You cannot
Like-
trust that.
You can tell.
like mine's a unicorn with like a rainbow and a heart. Suzy's is like a perfectly like animated children's cartoon. Hartz is like a self-portrait, like, and Ken's is just
The antagonist in the story.
it's the sketch of like the sociopath.
Look at it, Diablo, like G
That-
form.
It's open to interpretation.
Warden, come here. Warden.
Damn it!
Yeah.
Oh my, yeah, I got it
It
right.
looks like it's fucking meat.
Damn it, I put this oatmeal smells good.
I liked it. I gave it a like.
Puppy, you want to say goodnight? You want to say goodnight? Good night.